Today, I'll show you how to combine files into one PDF in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. On the home screen, look for the Tools section. Click Combine Files. If you already have a PDF open, you can also find this option from the Tools panel on the right side. Now click Add Files. Choose the files you want to combine. You can select PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, PowerPoint files, images, and other supported file types. After selecting the files, click Open. Adobe Acrobat will place the files into a list. Now arrange them in the order you want them to appear in the final PDF. Click and drag a file to move it up or down. If you added a file by mistake, select it and remove it from the list. You can also click a file to preview its pages, depending on your version of Acrobat. Once the order looks correct, click Combine. Acrobat will now merge the selected files into one PDF. Wait for the process to finish. When the combined PDF opens, review the pages carefully. Check that the files are in the correct order, the pages look right, and nothing is missing. Now save the new PDF. Click File, then Save As. Choose a folder, enter a file name, and click Save. For example, you can name it Combined Document, Project Files, or Final PDF. If you want to make changes later, you can still organize the pages in Acrobat. Use the Organize Pages tool to move, rotate, delete, or insert pages. Also remember that some advanced PDF tools may require Adobe Acrobat Pro or an active Adobe subscription. So, to keep it simple, open Adobe Acrobat, choose Combine Files, add your documents, arrange the order, click Combine, then save the new PDF. And that's how you combine files into one PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.